Hi everybody, good morning. It's Saturday of our trip and we got to the bitter end yesterday afternoon and then came ashore and played on this beautiful tropical playground. We got a little beach time. We got a tour of the resort. We learned about the history here and all the charm that Bitter End Yacht Club has.
One of the coolest things I think I learned here is the decor is salvaged from the ocean, from Hurricane Irma. They actually went and found items that had been destroyed and repurposed them. This chandelier is boat buoys and steering wheels, and it is absolutely stunning. There is an upscale nautical feel throughout the entire resort. And check out this boat bar. It is the only one like it in the Caribbean, also salvaged from the storm. I was not expecting to find fresh baked bread, but it's here. The provisioning store has a wide variety of items, so you can pick up anything you might need before you head off to the next leg of your trip. You can even fit in a little retail therapy in their boutique while you're here. The water sports are a must. Paddleboards, kayaks, hydrofoils, and Hobie cats, and an amazing staff to help you become a pro. The beachfront cottages and the oceanfront villas will be open in late March, and they are stunning. The villas are 2-story, and there is a private balcony with outdoor shower where you can just drop right into the ocean from your villa. Upstairs you have a gorgeous master bedroom and a balcony that's overlooking the marina. Absolutely stunning views. I can't wait to book our next trip and get back to the Bitter End Yacht Club.